Hello, my name is Jenny and I work at Winchester Science Centre. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Discovery pen. This is a Discovery pen. There is a speaker at the top of the pen, which feels like lots of small holes in the surface. This is also the widest part of the pen. The pen gets smaller as it goes down, and is very narrow at the opposite end where the nib and sensor are. On the side of the pen are 3 buttons in a vertical line. The top button is the power button. Your Discovery pen is already on, but you can press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on or off. You can also press the power button to adjust the volume as recordings are playing. The middle button says M. You can press it to pause the recording. The bottom button has an image of a microphone. You will not need this button. Our Science Centre can get noisy, so you can use the headphones provided to listen to the descriptions. They plug into the small hole at the top on the left side of the pen when the buttons are facing you. You can hear the recordings by placing the nib of the pen against the dot on the exhibit. The dot is a raised black plastic circle with an orange and yellow rectangle in the middle. The orange side on the left tells you what the exhibit is and what there is to play with. The yellow side on the right is the science about the exhibit and the Learn section of our exhibit boards read aloud. Some of our exhibits do not have a Learn section on their board, so both sides of the rectangle will play the same thing. Place the nib against the side of the rectangle with the description you would like to hear. The recording will begin playing immediately. Some of our exhibits are large and have multiple places to interact with them. In these situations, we have tried to place the dot in an obvious location, but please ask for help if you are struggling to find it. When you have finished using the Discovery pen, hand it back to the member of staff at the shop till, just before the exit as you leave. If you need any help throughout your day, then speak to a member of staff wearing a pink t-shirt and they will be very happy to help. That's it from me for now, but you'll hear from me again when you explore your first visit at the Science Centre. We hope you have a great day here at Winchester Science Centre. Goodbye!